Welcome back to LearnEarnCrypto channel. Today, we're going to check the altcoins that we reviewed last week, plus Ethereum and Bitcoin. Take note, if you're a position trader, you don't care about the short-term, minutes or hourly price fluctuations, as we only care about the daily and weekly charts. Medium or long-term technical analysis gives you higher probability to be correct, and higher gains compared to short-term trading or using leverage. First, let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. So this is a potential double bottom pattern last week with a low here and a second low here. But it got rejected at 47% to 48%. Resistance at 48 around this area. You would want to see this to go lower so altcoin prices will go up substantially. Also, possible that it is forming a higher low from the low here and here. So the higher low can be here. But let's see on the coming days. With Ethereum reaching new all-time high, expect the altcoins to follow. You would want to have a position in altcoins now for this second leg of the bull market. Now let's check the altcoins that we reviewed last week. VeChain US dollar pair. Personal disclosure, I've added at 13 cents on the breakout of the diagonal line, but as you know, Bitcoin corrected, which affects altcoins. Hence the price declined at around 11 cents. Currently, the price is back at around 13 cents. So if you bought at the breakout of the diagonal resistance, which is your first tranche, 20 to 25% of your capital, then your position went underwater for negative 12%. But it is now back to break even. This is crypto volatility. If you don't have a long-term mindset and you set a stop loss at 10%, then you will stop out already. You can still leave your lowball bid around 10 or 11 cents to continue building your position in case the price decline, and then double up when it breaks the resistance around 15 to 16 cents, which should be away from your current average. The weekly MACD still looks good as the blue line has crossed the orange line now, which is a bullish crossover. Nano US dollar pair. My buy order bid at 5.16 US dollar got hit, and now it is attempting to break the diagonal resistance line, which you can place your second tranche once the price close above this diagonal line. You can double up your position when the price is far from your current average, and then just sit and enjoy the ride going up. The weekly MACD should cross up very soon with impending altcoin season. So it's still a good time to accumulate this altcoin. XLM US dollar. If you set your buy order for your first tranche at around 35 cents, then it was probably filled. You can leave your second tranche at around 30 cents in case the price dips. And then double up when the next resistance is broken, which is around 43 to 44 cents and is far from your current average. Can it go over $1? Yes, anything is possible in crypto. Now let's take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar pair. The price is still within the rising channel and briefly touched the middle line when the price dropped at around 56,000 US dollar. The daily MACD is still high. Now let's take a look at the weekly MACD, and it still have a very strong momentum on the weekly MACD. So if the Bitcoin price drops below 56,000 US dollar, then it is another buy opportunity for altcoins. Personally, Bitcoin is in no buy zone above 50,000 US dollars. Take note, profitable traders or hodlers in crypto do nothing 90% of the time, which is waiting or sitting, and then 10% is your execution of trading plan, your entry and exit. That's all for today. If you like this content, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching.